No matter whether you are camping or backpacking or just at home, you never know when you may fall victim of an emergency situation where medical supplies can become scarce. That is why it's always a good idea to keep a first aid kit for keeping you prepared for emergencies. First aid kit can be tricky to choose because of their contents and use for different scenarios. For your ease of choice, we have listed the best 5 first aid kits that you can have for emergency preparedness.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
If you're looking for a feature-packed first aid kit that includes a wide range of medical kits, then you might want to check out the Be Smart Get Prepared 326 piece. To be the most dependable and excitingly innovative manufacturer of first aid kits, TRI focuses on quality products that can come handy on emergency situations. Made by the #1 leading manufacturer of first aid kits in the USA, it includes 326 pieces of comprehensive first aid treatment products to ensure you always have the right kit at hand. It comes with a rugged, sturdy, high-density plastic case which is impact-resistant and features fully organized interior compartments which provides quick access in time of need. It has 2 separate layers of first aid for large and small first aid products and tilting shelves designed for easy access and refill. This first aid kit meets or exceeds OSHA and ANSI 2009 guidelines for 100 people, which makes it ideal for most business and perfect for family use at home. For basic first aid kit, the Be Smart Get Prepared kit can support a small to a medium-sized group as long as the injuries are relatively minor, which makes it a great thing to have with you in emergency situations. Quality first aid kits can be costly, but not the HART Health Weekend. This compact and well-organized kit is great for a weekend getaway with quality implements at an affordable price. The back of the kit features a full list of contents to help you stay fully stocked and ready to go. It includes gauze items, wound cleansing supplies, topical relief, medications and many more to offer better emergency preparation. This kit's roomy pockets with hook and loop closure make it easy to put back unused items, restock used items and add new items to customize the kit. It has clear, labeled pockets and elastic loops which make it easy to quickly find what you need. Product packaging is designed to clearly identify an item before you open it. It comes in a waterproof bag made out of polyester to keep your items dry and is durable enough to withstand in any uncertain situation. With clear compartments to keep medical supplies organized, visible and at your fingertips, the compact HART Health Weekend First Aid Kit is sized for 2 people on a 2 to 3 day trip. The Medic MyFAK is the burliest first aid kit on our list and is best for situations that need above average trauma gear to be effective. The Medic MyFAK comes in two different versions, one is basic and another one is advanced. But they both contain the many same items except the advanced one has a tourniquet, quick clot, burn dressing, chest seal, surgical tools and more for better preparation. This first aid kit comes in water-resistant backpack made out of 600 denier nylon pack cloth to keep kits dry and protected in emergency situations. These kits have rip-away hook and loop panel that offer easy access and feature fold-out detachable mesh pocket for convenient storing. This first aid kit meets or exceeds Occupational Safety and Health Administration and also ANSI approved. The Medic MyFAK first aid kit can be used for emergencies anywhere, a day at the park, a multi-day backpacking trip or an off-road adventure in your Jeep. The Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Series Hiker is a great choice for short weekend trips, containing the essentials to guard against many trailside emergencies. It comes with easy care first aid system that organizes first aid supplies into an injury-specific pockets to eliminate guesswork and ensure you use the right treatment quickly. The first aid kit includes 5x9 trauma pad, an elastic bandage, hospital quality tools, antiseptic wipes and butterfly bandages and many more kits to ensure you always have the right kit in time of need. It comes with super durable nylon bag with darting provides extra space inside the kit for your own items. Inside it has see-through pockets that protect the items from dirt and moisture while allowing for quick and easy access. Its external kit map shows you where the supplies are located, while the reflective mountain logo in front of the bag makes it easy to spot in the dark when every moment counts. The Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Series Hiker is equipped with carefully selected supplies tailored to meet any basic first aid needs that you and your friend might experience on a 2-day adventure. The Surviveware Small First Aid Kit is a great choice for those in rugged environments where durability is a concern. The kit comes with 100 essential basic life-saving items while weighing at only 1 pound, including alcohol wipes, butterfly and many more so that you can always have the right kit at hand. Made from 600D polyester, this first aid kit comes in the strongest bag in its price class. Each inner sleeve is labeled according to its function. During stressful situations, all items can easily be retrieved and afterwards replaced in an orderly fashion. You also have a separate zip pouch for your own prescription medication. Compact, light and portable, the mold-compatible straps in the bag allow the user to wear it on other bags or your belt. You can take it with you on road trips, hiking, backpacking, camping, traveling or keep your own safe at home. The Surviveware Small First Aid Kit is the most durable first aid kit on our list and packs some useful essential kits that can be effective in emergency situations. So that was all about the best 5 first aid kits for emergency preparedness. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.